Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Talk and Learn YouTube channel. I hope you are all feeling good today.
Hi, everyone. Welcome. We're really happy you are here with us again. How are you feeling today? I hope calm and relaxed.
Yeah, this is not a class. This is just two people talking, like real life. So don't be nervous about your English.
Exactly. Here, mistakes are normal. Even we make mistakes sometimes, and it's okay. That's how English really works in daily life.
Yes. Sarah, before we go on, how are you today? Like, for real, not I'm fine only.
Good question. I'm actually feeling a little tired today, but in a good way. You know, busy day, many small things. How about you, Ahmed?
I was feeling sleepy in the morning. I drink coffee, 2 cups actually. Now I feel more awake.
2 cups? Ah, that explains your energy. But yes, viewers, this is how people really talk.
Yes, not perfect sentences. Sometimes broken, sometimes fixed again.
And in this video, you will learn English like this by listening, by feeling the conversation, not by memorizing grammar rules.
Exactly. We talk about daily life, common things, simple things, real things.
And one important thing, don't be afraid of mistakes. If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak. Believe me, we see this a lot.
Yeah. So relax your shoulders, take a breath, and just listen with us.
And if you like this style, please subscribe to the channel. It really supports us and helps this channel grow.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so today's topic is very simple, but also very important in daily life.
Today, we are going to talk about daily life in English. Not big topics, just small, everyday moments like at home, outside, with people.
Yes, because honestly, we live daily life every day, but we don't know how to talk about it in English.
That's very true. People can talk about my hobby or my dream, but when you ask, how was your day? They stop.
Yeah, they say only, it was good, and then silence.
So today, we will fix that slowly. We will show you how real people talk about daily life.
And not textbook English, no long sentences, just natural, normal speaking. And not textbook English, no long sentences, just natural, normal speaking.
Okay, Amit, let me ask you something simple. How was your day today? Not fine, not good. Tell me a little more.
Okay, let me try. My day was kind of busy. In the morning, I cleaned the house a bit.
That's good. Viewers, notice he said kind of busy. It's a very common daily life phrase.
Yeah, I didn't say very busy or extremely busy, just kind of busy. It shows a normal day.
Exactly. Now let me ask again, Ahmed. What did you do after cleaning?
After that, I made breakfast. Nothing special, just eggs and toast.
Perfect. Listen, viewers, nothing special. People say this a lot in real life.
Yes, we don't always have exciting days. Most days are just normal.
And that's okay. Now, viewers, repeat after me softly. Nothing special.
Good. Again, nothing special. Nice and slow.
Good job. Now, Ahmet, did anything funny happen today?
Um, Actually, yes. I was looking for my phone and it was in my hand.
Oh, wow. That happens to everyone. This is real daily life, guys.
Yeah, I felt a little stupid, but then I laughed at myself.
And that sentence is very natural. I laughed at myself. Simple, but very real.
Okay, viewers, your turn now. Think about today. What small thing happened to you?
Say it like this: today was, or my day was.
It doesn't need to be perfect. Just say something. Even one sentence is enough.
Okay, let's continue. Ahmed, I want to ask you something small again. When your day is busy, how do you feel inside?
Good question. Sometimes I feel tired, but also useful, like I did something, you know?
That's a very nice feeling to explain. Tired but useful. Viewers, that's real life English.
Yeah, not everything is happy. Sometimes we feel mixed things, tired and good, together.
Exactly. In textbooks, they don't teach feelings like this. But in real life, we talk like this all the time.
Sarah, can I ask you something now?
Of course, go ahead.
What do you usually do after a long day, like when you reach home?
Okay, let me think. After a long day, first I sit down, I don't talk, just sit and breathe for a minute.
That sitting silence is very important. I do that too.
Viewers, listen carefully. I just sit and breathe. Very simple sentence, but very real.
And notice, she didn't say, I relax myself. She said, I sit and breathe.
Yes, relax myself is not wrong, but people usually don't say that in daily talk.
Many learners say, I am relaxing now.
It sounds okay, but in daily life, we say, I'm just resting or I'm trying to relax.
Yes, small change, big difference.
Okay, viewers, repeat after me. I'm just resting.
Again, slow. I'm just resting.
Good. Now one more. I'm trying to relax.
Nice. This is daily English.
Now you try. In your mind, finish this sentence. After a long day, I usually...
It can be anything. Sleep, phone, tea, silence. Just choose one thing.
Ahmed, let's talk about routine now. People always ask, what's your routine? But they don't know how to answer.
True. They think routine means something big, but it's just daily habits.
So, Ahmed, tell me about your routine. Simple words only.
Okay, I wake up around 7. Not exactly 7. Like 7-ish.
Ah, 7-ish. This word is very human. Not exact time, just around.
Yes. Then I wash my face, make tea, and check my phone. Too much, maybe.
Checking phone too much. Everyone does that.
Yeah. I say I won't do it, but I still do it.
Great sentence. I say I won't do it, but I still do it.
That's daily life English. Nothing fancy.
Textbooks say, I wake up early in the morning and start my productive day.
Real life says, I wake up and I'm tired.
Exactly. So, viewers, don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound honest.
Pause for a second. Think about your morning today. Was it smooth or rushed?
Say one sentence in your head. My morning was...
Daily life, small talks.
Ahmed, what do people usually ask you outside, like neighbors or friends?
They always ask, how's everything going?
And how do you answer?
They usually say, it's going okay, or same as usual.
Perfect. Daily answers. Not long, not dramatic.
Yeah, sometimes nothing is new, and that's normal.
Viewers repeat. Same as usual.
Again, same as usual.
Let's practice short answers now. Ahmed, I'll ask you some daily questions.
Okay, I'm ready.
How was your sleep?
Not great. I woke up many times.
How's work going?
Busy, but manageable.
Nice word. Manageable. Not easy, not terrible.
Sometimes I say it's very very difficult.
That's okay. Mistakes happen in speaking. Correct and move on.
Okay, Sarah, daily life, evening talk.
Let's move to evening. What do you like to do in the evening, Ahmed?
In the evening, I slow down. I don't want noise. I just want peace.
That sentence is very natural. I just want peace.
Yes, sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I just sit quietly.
And notice, viewers, he didn't say peaceful environment, just peace.
Your turn again. Finish this sentence. In the evening, I like to.
Whisper it. No pressure.
Ahmed, some days feel heavy. How do you explain that in English? I usually say, today feels a bit heavy.
Perfect. Not sad, not angry, just heavy.
Yes, emotions are not always clear.
Viewers, repeat. It feels a bit heavy today.
Good. Again, good. Again, thinking. In the evening, I like to relax. I like to relax with a cup of tea.
Nice correction. Repeat after us, viewers. I like to relax with a cup of tea. Say it slowly. I like to relax with a cup of tea.
Now, small change. Try a shorter answer. I relax with tea. That is casual, easy to say.
Yes, I relax with tea. People often say too many words. Keep it simple. Viewers, say I relax with tea now.
Good. Next, talking about meals. What do you say when someone asks, did you eat?
We use short answers, not yet, or I ate already. But notice, in English, we say I already ate, not I ate already.
Right. I used to say, I ate already. Sometimes I still say it. Correct, I already ate. Repeat, I already ate.
Now practice with a negative, I didn't eat yet. Some people say, I didn't eat yet. That is wrong. Say, I didn't eat yet. Try it.
Try a full short conversation practice. Sarah says, have you eaten? Ahmed says, not yet. I will eat soon. Simple, natural.
Yes. And viewers, say both lines with us. Have you eaten? Not yet. I will eat soon. Good. Again, louder if you can.
Let's move to small problems, like when plans change. How do you tell someone you were late?
Short and honest. I'm running late. Not I am in a late. That sounds odd. Say, I'm running late. Repeat.
Also, you can say, sorry, I'm a bit late, or I'm sorry, I'll be there in 10 minutes. Useful phrases for daily life.
And if you are on the phone, you can say, I'm on my way, not I'm on the way. Better, I'm on my way. Little changes, big difference.
Okay, viewers, now your turn. Say out loud, I'm on my way. Great.
Now a practice where Ahmed corrects me. Ahmed, ask me where are you and correct my answer if needed.
All right. Where are you, Sarah? Sarah says, I'm in my home. I'm at home.
Yes. I often say in my home, but natural is at home. Repeat, I'm at home. Viewers, try to say, I'm at home. Good.
We make small mistakes. It's okay. We correct and move on. That is learning.
Exactly. Now, talk about relaxing activities. Ahmed, what's one thing you do to relax?
I listen to music. Simple. I put on low volume, not too loud. Sometimes I read a little. I read a short article, not a book.
Lovely. I listen to music. Repeat after us. Also try, I read a short article. These are natural daily sentences.
Let's do a repeat after me block. A little faster now. Say each line after Sarah.
Line 1. I wake up around 7-ish. Line 2. I check my phone for a few minutes. Line 3. I relax with a cup of tea in the evening. Line 4. I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Say them with us, viewers.
If you made a small pronunciation mistake, it's fine. Try again slowly. I wake up around 7-ish. Good. One more. I relax with a cup of tea in the evening.
Now a short role play. Ahmed calls Sarah and asks about dinner. Ahmed, start the call.
Hi, Sarah. Are you free tonight? Sarah, your answer?
Hi, Ahmed. I think yes. What's the plan?
Maybe dinner at 7?
Sounds good. See you at 7.
Nice. See how short and natural the lines are? Real-life English is simple, not long.
Viewers, repeat the role play with your friend or alone. Practice speaking out loud. This helps a lot.
Now, quick tip about questions. Many learners forget to use the helping verb in questions. Example, wrong. You going to market? Correct. Are you going to the market? Say the correct version. Are you going to the market?
Yes, and if you want to sound casual, you going to the market is used by some native speakers in fast speech, but it's better to learn the correct form first. Then you learn casual shortcuts later.
Great tip. Now, short practice. Ask your partner, are you going to the market? Answer, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Okay, viewers, small reflection. Any pause. Think about one phrase you learned so far. Say it in your head.
Now say it out loud. Don't be shy. If you are with us, say, I already ate, or I'm on my way. Good job. Soft sigh.
We will move to a new mini topic next, talking about feelings during the day, but we stop here for a short practice break.
Keep practicing these short lines for 5 minutes. When you are ready, hike next, and we will continue with feelings, small problems, and more daily conversation.
All right, friends, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We hope you felt relaxed and confident.
So tell us, what did you learn today? One sentence only in the comments.
And here's your small challenge. Write one daily life sentence about today, just one.
If this conversation helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Share it with someone who is learning English too. Learning together feels easier.
All right, take care.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.